Good morning, children. Welcome back. Hope you all are fine and safe. Today, we are going to listen a story from Course Book, that is Chapter 4, A Loving Mother. This is a story about a mother duck who saves her ducklings from the fox. A loving mother is a fable. Fable means it has animal characters to teach us something important. So let's read the story. One day, Mother Duck took her two little ducklings to the lake. Quack, 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 cried the ducklings as they followed their mother. Just then, Mother Duck saw a fox coming towards them. She was frightened, but she had a bright idea. Hurry, get into the lake, she cried. There is a fox. The ducklings quickly ran towards the lake. Here you can see that the mother duck takes her ducklings to a lake when she saw a fox coming towards them. Then she tells the ducklings to quickly get into the lake. And the two ducklings are very obedient. As soon as they are told by their mother to get into the lake, they do so without any question. They didn't ask their mother why she was telling them this. So this shows they are very obedient. Then Mother Duck began to walk slowly, dragging one wing on the ground. Dragging means pulling something with difficulty. The fox was very happy to see this. It seems that she is hurt and cannot fly. I can easily catch her and eat her up, he thought. Then he rushed towards her. Mother Duck started running away from the lake. The fox ran after her. She turned to look at her ducklings. They were swimming safely in the lake. Here you can see that Mother Duck acted quickly and wisely saved her ducklings from the fox. When the fox is coming towards them, she walks dragging her wing, acting to be hurt. But the fox is happy, thinking that he can easily catch her because she is already hurt. As he rushes towards her, the duck moves away from the lake. Here you can also see the mother duck. Even while trying to save herself, she was also looking out for her children. Mother Duck was pleased. She took a deep breath. The fox thought she was tired and he came closer. Mother Duck quickly spread her wings and flew up in the air. She landed in the middle of the lake and started swimming happily with her ducklings. The fox was fooled. He could not swim. Mother Duck and her ducklings were safe in the middle of the lake. So why do you think Mother Duck was pleased? Because she saw that the ducklings swimming safely in the lake. So she stops to take a breath. And when the fox gets closer, thinking she is tired, she flies up into the air and lands in the lake with her ducklings. Now they are safe because the fox cannot swim. As you all know, the fox is very cunning animal, but he gets fooled very easily by the mother duck. He gets fooled when mother duck pretends to be hurt. So children, from this story you can understand how wisely mother duck saved her two ducklings from a fox. And Mother Duck is a very loving mother. When she saw fox coming towards them, she acted quickly and saved her ducklings from the fox. So all mothers, even animal mothers, have great love and concern for their children. So children, you must obey your parents. They have great love and concern for their children, and always say and do things what is best for their children. So all of you practice reading this chapter. and complete your work. Thank you.